Welcome back. Well, it's the end of the first month of 2018, and most home improvement stores are promoting organization and fixing up your home. But what do you plan to do about your inner and outer beauty? Well, we have Darla and Lori here from Laguna Health and Wellness to give us some ideas. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, Darla, you're the owner, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about Laguna Health and Wellness, kind of from an overview.
So we believe in the body's health. We look at the body as a whole picture, and we look at the body as being able to heal itself. So we try to put the body into a healing state, and by doing that, we can relieve pain, we can create more activity, we can actually come into these later years of our life with a wellness factor and having a quality of life that we can enjoy these last years of our life.
Okay, so your services kind of have a range. Give me an idea of sort of what those are.
So we encompass everything. We do chiropractic, acupuncture, massage, reflexology. We have facials. We have some of the latest technology. What I really love about what our clinic does is that we have brought Chinese medicine and brought it with new scientific medicine. By putting those two things together, we use bioelectromagnetic therapy, which does fabulous things for blood circulation. A core belief of health and wellness is if you can get the blood to move, you can heal the body.
Right.
So we really address getting strong blood, getting the body active, and then we can go into beauty and wellness and flexibility, and everything works better when you start with the base.
Okay, and Lori, you are an esthetician, correct?
I am.
Okay, and so what are your responsibilities there?
So I provide facial services.
Okay.
So I will do customized facials for people that might have sensitive skin, anti-aging, acne. I even do teen facials.
Oh, great.
And then we also do the hydrofacial.
Right, which I know we'll be talking about later today, so I'll have you chime in then.
Okay.
Perfect. Darla, tell me a little bit about the pain management that you were talking about earlier.
So it goes, when clients come into my our clinic, I start by saying, let's talk about Body 101. We've all been educated about what we think that the body is, but often it's like if you just take this pill, then our body will do what it's supposed to.
Right.
We have to be engaged with the healing process of our body. And it goes back to when we were talking about the circulation. I do different modalities of doing that by nutrition for the blood, nutrition for the body. We do as we're feeding the body. Like I said, this it just left me. Oh. As we do the circulation things with our new technology, the blood starts to go. The people, they come in and their legs are swollen, they're discolored, and we can get the movement back into the legs. And when you get that movement back in, pain goes away.
Right, so you're addressing inflammation.
Inflammation.
Okay.
So inflammation is caused because blood doesn't move. So if you get the blood moving, inflammation leaves, the body gets strong, everything just works better. So then we go into the acupuncture, and the acupuncture gets the energy moving.
Right.
And once you get those two things going, then we'll check out the structure. When the structure is in line, then all of the pieces of the body are working, and it can take you into physical therapy, into our beauty, into all of the parts. So we really feel that when you come in, it is that one-stop shop that...
Would you consider Laguna Health and Wellness sort of a holistic approach?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So the acupuncture is considered a holistic approach,
Yes.
for sure. Now, when you have someone come in and you would recommend acupuncture, do you identify particular problems, or do you just do it all over?
So identify particular problems.
Okay.
And as we do different segments, I would love for you even to come in and meet our acupuncturists. We have a couple of them that are working there now. They both have been trained in China, so they're very aware of just of what that is, and they will have an in-depth conversation as to where is your pain, what do we need to do. I don't have pain, but I get acupuncture regularly because I do acupuncture facials.
Okay, very good.
Facelifts.
Very good. All right, well, we would like to talk a little bit about the hydrofacial real quick. Tell me just real quickly what it's all about.
Okay, well, the hydrofacial is a medical grade resurfacing treatment. And it's kind of, I call it like an all-purpose facial.
Right.
You get a deep cleanse, you get a little of an acid peel,
Right.
and you get extractions, and then you also get an infusion of vitamins and antioxidants and hyaluronic acid. So it's a great, great facial because it covers a multitude of skin conditions, fine lines and wrinkles, brown spots,
Right.
age spots,
Right.
acne, rosacea, you know, any skin condition that you may have.
Right, and it was
it
super.
addresses.
And you guys had me out there, and it was super great, and I
did.
really enjoyed it. And I thought that my face feels great, the skin looks good, and my makeup went on really nicely. So I do appreciate you guys doing that for us. So thank you.
Great.
And thank you for being with us. This is super great to have you both, and hopefully we'll have you guys on again. And for you out there, their website is lagunahealthandwellness.com, correct?
Yes.
All right, very good, ladies. Thank you so much. And we'll be right back after this.